idiot if you're not watching these 3 stocks for Thursday's trading day. Today, my top stock from Tuesday's watch list exploded over 180%, but if you missed it, don't worry because my top stock for tomorrow looks absolutely insane. With crypto exploding today, this stock could have a massive end of the trading week, so it's not a stock that I'd want to be missing out on. As always, I'm saving my absolute favorite stock here for last, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. First up is the stock that I called out just 2 days ago that exploded over 180% today, and it looks like it could go much higher tomorrow if this one thing happens. Now, that stock here is YHC. Now, if I want to watch this for continuation to the upside, I'm going to have to wait for confirmation to the upside. So what I want to be doing here is looking for that pivot over this past area of supply overhead around $11.59 underneath the high of day from today. If I see strong price action above $11.59, I will then look for pullbacks here to set up somewhere over $11 a share. If we get price to confirm back off those pullbacks after breaking over the high of day, we have range all the way back to the upside here to $15 a share. But of course, no matter how good this setup really looks, no break, no trade. Next up on the list, number 2 is an explosive looking penny stock that looks prime for new upside if this one thing happens. Now that stock here is BTOG, and it's been putting in place a bit of a bottom here the last 4 trading days, and I really want to see if this can start to curl back to the upside tomorrow. Now, of course, we're not going to try and predict that curl back to the upside, but if it does begin to curl back to the upside, I do like this. So what I want to see happen here going into tomorrow is strong volume off of the lows here over 31 cents a share. If we find that volume over 31 tomorrow back to the upside, preferably over today's high of day over that 35-cent level, I want to then look for pullbacks to retest and confirm, because if it does, we have room here all the way back to the upside towards 55 and even 75 cents overhead, all the way to your 200-day moving average. Now this thing looks incredible with its beautiful tightening wedge on the daily time frame, but unless it finds volume tomorrow and proves that curl, I don't like this. Next up, and last but not least, is my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow's trading day, and it's my favorite stock that I've found out there in quite a few days now. Now this thing's exploding today out of an insane tightening daily flag, and with crypto going crazy the last few days, this stock could go pretty crazy with it. Now before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So please do me a massive favor, hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now that stock here is the massive recent IPO on CRCL, and as you can see has been coiling extremely tight the last few weeks on the daily time frame and finally broke out to the upside today with some pretty incredible volume. 43.5 million shares of volume today and had an over 20% trading day to the upside. And I really want to be watching this for pullbacks to set up somewhere over $215 a share tomorrow. If we see buyers come in heavy tomorrow, I want to look for that second wave move tomorrow for the range all the way back overhead towards 265 and even 300 towards its all-time highs. Now, like I said, this is my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow. It looks incredible, and honestly, if you're not watching this stock tomorrow after the insane move that it made in the market today, I don't know what you're doing.